In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze columns in Zoho Sheet, a handy feature for keeping specific data in view while you scroll. Whether you're working on a desktop or accessing the web version, freezing columns can significantly enhance your efficiency, especially when dealing with large data sets. We're going to delve into a few different methods, making sure you can customize your sheet as you see fit. First up, let's look at how to freeze the first column, which is often column A. This is perfect if your first column contains headers or important identifiers you need to keep sight of as you scroll horizontally through your data. To do this, simply go to the top menu, select View, then hover over Freeze and click on Column A. This action locks the first column in place, allowing for easy navigation through the rest of your data while retaining constant reference to your frozen column. If you want to freeze more than just the first column, you can freeze up to a particular column of your choice. To do this, click on the cell that is immediately to the right of the last column you want to keep visible. Once you've selected the appropriate cell, head up to View, find Freeze, and choose Up to Selected Column. This will lock all columns to the left of the selected cell. It's a flexible solution if your workspace requires keeping multiple columns in constant view. There might be cases when you also need to freeze a specific range of rows and columns, effectively partitioning your sheet into a more manageable grid. To achieve this, start by selecting the exact cell where you would like the scrollable area to begin. Navigate once again to View, go down to Freeze, and then select Selection. Here, you can specify the desired range of both rows and columns you need to lock into place. This advanced option provides a comprehensive view of particular data intersections. Keep in mind there are some system limitations to freezing in Zoho Sheet. You can freeze a maximum of up to the first 5 columns and/or the first 5 rows. This offers a decent range for keeping the essentials visible while you navigate through large volumes of data. Remembering this limit is crucial when planning how to structure your sheet efficiently. Of course, there may come a time when you need to remove all frozen panes and return your sheet to its default scrollable state. Doing so is straightforward. To unfreeze, simply go to View, move your cursor over to Freeze, then click Unfreeze. This will remove all the frozen sections, allowing the entire sheet to scroll freely once again. By effectively utilizing these freezing options in Zoho Sheet, you can ensure that your most critical data remains accessible and visible, enhancing your ability to analyze and process information quickly and accurately.